Welcome back to the Dashman channel. So glad to have you here. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so now. This channel features largely dash cam footage from me driving around my cars. Sometimes I'll have friends send me in footage, which is what we have today. You need to check out his channel. It's Tesla TTR on YouTube. I'm going to put a link right now. Over on that channel, he'll review new software updates for the Tesla Model 3 and go over lots of different accessories that are available for it. He's actually loaded his car up quite nicely, so be sure to check that out. So his Tesla Model 3 has cameras all the way around. One down by the license plate, one pointing to the passenger rear, one pointing to the driver's rear, and of course one out in the front. Whenever an incident does happen, you can hit a button and it'll save the previous 10 minutes. So for those of you with fast cars, I'm sure you'll understand what's happening here. Sometimes you're at a traffic light, you're in your car, and someone else is looking at you, and you can tell they want to race. My buddy had no interest in racing. All he wanted to do was keep on driving, so when the light turns green, he hits it. He gets all the way up to the speed limit, but he gets there very fast. The guy in the silver Honda Accord wanted to show off a little bit, and he launched hard as well. It took him a bit to catch up, and he only did so because my buddy was doing the speed limit. But as he whips on by, there was a surprise waiting right behind him, just ready to strike. An unmarked GT Mustang. You know, you don't know who you're sitting next to at a light. Now, when you have an unmarked car, especially an unmarked Mustang, not a lot of people are suspecting that. You're sitting next to a GT Mustang, some of the folks want to show off a little bit, see if they can get a race going. I guarantee the police down there are cleaning up with the tickets. And here comes the worst part, watching the guy you were trying to race drive by you. So there's a good look at the Tesla Model 3 video system. The onboard system's pretty good overall. If you look at these videos, I did zoom them in to fit the screen, but they didn't pixelate a lot. That's pretty much what it looks like. However, the aspect ratio is more like one of the old-time TVs, the 4:3 ratio. So I zoomed it in to fill the screen. The colors are not as vibrant as a dedicated system, but I have to tell you, without having to buy a separate system and getting those 4 cameras and having them running all the time, they will also record when someone is around your vehicle or walks up to your vehicle. And the security system on these is just incredible. So overall, what you're getting is fantastic. If you want better camera, you can still get a dedicated camera for the front and the back and just put those in your windshields and still let the onboard video system do its job. Because hey, the more cameras, the better. Like I always say, record everything. Folks, I hope you like the channel. Please check out my other videos. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, it helps me a lot. And if you'd like to check out some of the equipment I use when I'm driving around, my own dash cams, check the descriptions for links.